Okay. Alright. Maybe reduce this a bit. Alright, okay. Alrighty. Yo, baddie, what's up? Hold up. This is actually the best starting message I've ever seen. Hold up. Idor, first of all, a very good morning to you, man. And second, yo, this is the funniest message I've ever seen in the start. Yo, Wrench, how you doing, man? Yo, let's hear what Idor said. Yo, baddie, what's up? In my new rat botnet I made persistent. Cool. That's awesome. Yo, Idor, we need to like just chat one day and talk about like your coding skills and like projects. It's crazy good, man. It's crazy good. Can you send the link, please? And Ranj, how you doing, my man? How are you? How was yesterday? How was the family time? Ready to lock in, lads? Flex zone? Sure. Let's see. Rowing. Wait, hold up. Yeah, I love the background though. It's pretty cool. Wait. Command pro. What? Can you explain a bit more? Oh, this one probably. Advanced botnet. So from one side you have this virtual root, advanced red with botnet listening to this, got connection, and you got the shell, reverse shell. Downloads, you are able to change things. Okay. And you got like the reverse shell, exe and stuff inside it. Huh. You have to explain to me though, bro. Wait, in the app data, so that Windows 32.exe added exe registry to run auto. So that Windows 32.exe is the copy of the real payload, reverse.exe. Oh, nice. And it's the backdoor. Now I see. Now it makes sense. The backdoor is basically Windows 32.exe, and it would be nice, man. That's crazy. Quick question, Ido. Like, when you are learning, so you are learning through the courses, doing things, and then creating these rats, malwares, and stuff. And on startup, it calls. Oh, okay, yeah. Oh yeah, it's that. Okay. On start one. Yeah, makes sense. That's pretty cool. That's sick, bro. That's actually pretty cool, man. So, like, give me a little bit idea of like, so the course you mentioned you were doing before, like, because I think you're about to start CPTS after this. So you were doing the course, and from there you got this idea, learned stuff, and did it. Oh, 95% is from the course. Nice. One more Yara rule, wrench. Added again. It's crazy though. Dude, that's good though. Like, if you're able to create things like these and put it on your GitHub, I think like a company like Fortinet or CrowdStrike would be more than happy to have you. AI are the best. Yo, quick question, Idor. Yeah, GPT-5, Claude 4. My slave. Here's one interesting thing about Indians, man. Like, you know what? When I came to Canada, a lot of these words like slave and all these things, people think like, ooh, don't say that. Ooh, don't do that. Indians are like, we don't care, man. We are saying this is a new slave unlocked today. Every new, like something is launched, Indians, new slave unlocked all over social media. That's good though, Wrench. That's amazing. Yeah. I don't know about others. Makes sense. Dude, and that's good though. Like, 100%, man. And actually, like, I will say this, a very interesting thing, so I'll give you a little bit interesting story about, and this might be very helpful if somebody wants to like move to a newer city, specifically a country like in Western country. When I came to Canada, right? That's so bad. Canada. When I come to Canada, I had zero experience, very shy, and English, like, I know, I understand English, I was able to talk, but it was like I had a big issue with English, right? Because that was the lowest I scored in my CBSE in my 12th grade, and like I had issues with English, right? I'm not good with human languages. English, no good. Yeah, exactly. So, so what happened was I started taking part in charities because to get a job you need a lot of time, you need reference, right? I had zero reference, like no proper reference. So I did a lot of charities, found met a business dude, and this business person in his 50s, like 51, 52, 53. This guy, I will say, I don't want to give up a lot of information, but this guy has 32 plus restaurants, investment group, and yada yada yada. He also has an AI company right now. So this dude, you know what? One thing he said, I asked him this question because he was impressed by the fact like I went to him to ask questions instead of asking for a job at one of the, no, not Gujarati, Punjabi actually. So instead of asking for a job at his restaurant, right? Sounds good. I will do that, bro. Yeah, Punjabi. So this guy, and he came in like 1985, 86, something like that. Smart guy, very smart person. So he told me one very interesting thing because I asked him, because like, hey, you swear a lot. Don't people get offended by you? Because you are a businessman. A business person, in my opinion, is a person pleaser. You want to make sure people like you, right? You know what he said? I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Why? And why it is important to understand is because he said, if people like me or dislike me, I don't care. As long as I bring value to the table, because it's my money on the table, most important, right? If I am starting a restaurant, people are not working properly, sanu fuck nahi pehna. Yeah, that's exactly the way it is. So he said, like, it's my money. If my business don't do good, I will be homeless, I will be broke. So I'm okay making people mad, but be a bit richer, right? So one thing you just said, Idor and like Wrench, right? Like, just it's okay, like making fun of someone and making like somebody feel bad, taking away their hope. That's fucked up. But like, being scared of what people will say about you or how you are based on the type of person you are, or just like you swear words. No, that's like a very like one of the best things I needed to hear and I heard. Yeah, I know. Yo, and also, Idor said, check this course on Udemy, red teaming, exploit development with assembly and C. Oh, this is I will love this. This is, I'll do after my current TCM one. Oh, hey Ghost. How you doing, brother? No, don't never take away someone's hope, because that's I think like the one thing I'm very scared of, like hurting someone and being their last straw. So never hurt someone, but if there is something like somebody's like coming to you, or if it is about you, do not care like to say F word, because a lot of people are praying for your downfall. So be a bit rough, no matter what. Like, this is one of the things that I learned the hard way and helped me keeping myself alive and actually succeed in India or Canada, sorry, not in the world too, I guess. So important thing. That's one thing I can tell you for free. Yes, sir. Yes, Idor. So, red teaming, exploit development. Ooh, cool. Search engine, I know which one where you are saying to search for. Yep. No, 100% I will search it there, man. Yeah, I will search after this stuff because I'm working on the current course. Had a long day. Yo, Wrench. Nice. Dude, I need to like start doing video editing. Really bad. Yes, I do, but I will 100% look into this after this. I would love to at least like go over the introduction videos ASAP. This will be cool though. If we know assembly, everything is open source. That's crazy. So I moved from not just Vimo 3, it is this one. Because I wanted to learn about like making good videos and stuff. So I'm currently working on this one. AI Video School Complete Beginner to Pro. He talks a couple of good things. And I saw like really good ratings. So this is what I'm doing. Bro, I'm learning. Actually, the reason I'm doing this because I want to be able to make videos for you guys. And once I'm actually able to learn videos, bro, there's so many learning. It's just I want to be able to create videos for you. Yeah, Ghost, if you have a YouTube channel, I would love to like give a shout out, man. But yeah, like that's the thing. Like I'm just working on this one because I want to be able to create videos for you guys. Editing is easy. The reason is there is even with editing, the thing is like I want to be able to like at least create some animations, some videos, so it's easy to explain. I do that's one thing I have. That's what is on my radar. I have this. So yeah, I know, man. Video editing is like very boring for a person like me. So I'm just trying very hard to stay focused. Yeah. Free Code Camp. I am using that one. Free Code Camp DaVinci Resolve. Okay. I guess that's a good warm up one though. That's a good warm up. Yep. I am. Actually, the thing how I do it for me is I'll go through a good video, right? I don't like copy paste every single thing they're doing. I will go through a video, understand what all the tools are there and things. So, okay. I see. But like thing is like I will go through a video to understand what all a tool can do, right? I can understand, man. But like I will go through a tool, learn all the features it has so that I know at least in future that okay, I want to create this type of video where or is it possible to do this, or like oh, I can create for this type of topic. I saw this YouTube video, this part in the YouTube video, I want to recreate something like that. To be able to understand like what tools are, like ammunition I have, that's like I feel is good. Same with like that's how I learned my cloud too. I went through like a whole certificate. I was able to understand, okay, these are the tools, do it that way. Okay, with that being said, I think that was a good like how many minutes? 15 minutes. That's a good warm up, right? So let's lock in making a SAI honeypot. That would be nice to try. Nice. That's sick. Thank you, Ghost. That's amazing. Alrighty, lads. That's actually nice, like sharing. I love that. I love that. Cowrie. Nice. That's cool. Honeypot. That's cool. Dude, these are fun, man. These are so many fun projects. Once like I feel if I wish I don't need a job, this YouTube career pays off so I can stay online and do these projects. 8 to 10 hours of streaming every day, man. Monday to Friday. Or Monday to Saturday. It'll be fun. That'll be fun. Okay, not a robot. Alrighty. Let's lock in, lads. Let's lock in. I do. If I don't have bills, I would love to just be unemployed if I didn't have a bunch of bills on my plate. Honestly, man, it's rough. Okay, let's log into JavaScript essentials, buddy guy. My friends, dude, if I didn't have bills, it's not even about it's just I don't want. Ah, sure. We will all love to check it. Okay. Why this is like this? Okay. Task 5. Abusing. When you are unemployed, then you will really. Dude, I know. Like unemployed in the sense I would love to have like this YouTube career paying off. Or this streaming career. It's always good to have money. Trust me. Urban company IPO. Nice. Okay. Okay, lads. Let's lock in to task 5. We will be able to complete within a good amount of time. So let's start with task 5, abusing dialog functions. One of the main objectives of JavaScript is to provide, let's go back to what we learned a little bit. So we had an introduction, essential concepts. We had variables. We could do var, let, const to set up variables. We had functions, loops, request response cycle, did some JavaScript coding, right, with the control statements, seeing how HTML can be changed, the document you see can be changed with the help of JavaScript, and integrated JavaScript with two main methods. One was internal JavaScript using the script tags. One was the external JavaScript, again using the script tag, but we had something called source attribute. If you remember, here we put JavaScript in a different file, and using the source attribute, we will be able to pull that inside that HTML document. You can verify it by going to the page source, look at the things, right? And yeah, that was it. So now let's talk about task 5, abusing dialog functions. One of the main objectives of JavaScript is to provide dialog boxes for interacting with users and dynamically update content on the web pages, right? Like you are seeing this updating dynamically, or even like, you know, the timer you see and all those, the stopwatch, the clock, all those things, pretty cool stuff, are done by JavaScript. JavaScript provides built-in functions like alert, prompt, and confirm to facilitate this interaction. These functions allow developers to display messages, gather input, and obtain user confirmation. Like, you know, when we are clicking on allow cookies and stuff. However, if not implemented securely, attackers may exploit these features to execute attacks like cross-site scripting attacks, which you will cover later in this module. Cross-site scripting, amazing type of attack, very, very popular. So people who don't know, right? And look at HackerOne for it. We will be using Google Chrome console in the upcoming exercises. Alert. And also, you know what? I will start this machine just in case. Justice in case. Oh, this is stupid. Start machine anyways. Yep, going to start it. And I will tell you this, Wrench. You are more than welcome to use it after I'm done it. More than welcome to use it, bro. So, alert function. This is very important. This is actually one of the reason why this is important. This is like a POC. POC is proof of concept, that you were able to run something, you were able to hack. You want to prove that with a proper concept. Like, for example, if I want to show, right, that I'm able to hack a bank, I want to be able to, let's say, send a small amount of money from a person who I should not have access to, or like has nothing to do with me, to my account. But there is that way. That's a proof of concept. You're showing you can do it. Instead of like, you know, hack every single bank account, send all their money to me. You don't do that. So that way. So alert function displays a message in the dialog box with an OK button, typically used to convey information or warning to the users. For example, if we want to display hello THM to the user, we would use an alert THM, right, in the string inside this alert function. We call the alert function, put the string inside, whatever we want to do. Try it out. Open the Chrome console, type this, right? Let me just copy paste this. So, and if anybody's following, here you go. Also, actually, Wrench, quick question. Sorry, I'm interrupting this. Can you type something now? Because now I have changed to live chat with all the messages are visible and compared to the top chat. Just type something like, with the JS and stuff. That'll be helpful. Thank you. And press enter. A dialog box with the message will appear. You did. Still got censored? Ah. Interesting. Moderation activity. Okay. Hopefully I'm able to figure it out because what I read was way different. Okay, now this is working. This is working. Cool. Okay, now let's do this in our stuff. First, open the console. Inspect console. Let's not care what's written here. I'll do a clear with brackets. Clears everything. Now I do alert. String. Hello. Censored. Hacker. Now, I'll just do this. You see a prompt, this thing here, that came. And if you see on whichever website I do, it says that it puts the URL. Tryhackme.com says hello censored hacker, right? So that's what they are doing. A easy way. Nitin, hello brother, how are you doing? Next is prompt. The prompt function displays a dialog box that asks the user for input. It returns the entered value when the user clicks OK or null if the user clicks cancel. For example, to ask the user for their name, we could use prompt what is your name. To test this, open the Chrome console, paste the following, ask the username question and alert. So let's see. This actually, if you guys have played with any programming language, you can understand what's going on. Let me, without getting fired from my job, let me open. I will do Notepad, man. I can't do Notepad. Okay, I'll do a question. There's so many things I have. I don't want to accidentally share something important. Now, you understand this. Prompt, what is your name? So this question will come to our screen, right, using the function prompt. And whatever you type will be assigned to the variable name. Hopefully you guys can see it better. It will be assigned to the variable name. And then with alert, hello, this name, whatever you put in there, will be shown, just like the dialog box we saw earlier. So let's do this. Copy and inspect console. What is your name? You see there is a text box. I will say censored. Or I will put Nitin. Nitin, welcome to the family, bro. Nitin Verma. Hope you don't mind if I put in your name. Hello, Nitin Verma. This alert came, right? Pretty cool stuff. Now, to understand this, let me just change this, remove alert, and just do console. My apologies. I didn't put anything, and this error happened. Console was console.log. Hello. Then I put name. Let's see what will happen. Nitin, let's see. Hello, Nitin, right? Console.log will print here itself. Alert will give me the prompt. Once you paste the code and enter, a dialog box will appear, paste your whatever the name is there, and then it will put the alert box simply. Now is the good one, confirm. The confirm function displays a dialog box with a message and two buttons, OK and cancel. It returns value if the user clicks OK and false if the user clicks cancel. So returns true for OK, false for cancel. For example, to ask the user for confirmation, we would use confirm, are you sure? To try this, open the Chrome. We can do the same thing, confirm, right, instead of prompt. This is also useful if you want to, like, let's say if you're entering some kind of a form, are you sure you want to submit this form? Are you sure you have checked all the passport or your driving license information? Or are you sure you want to submit this application, right? A dialog box will appear, and depending on whether the user clicks OK or cancel, the value true or false will be returned to the console. How hackers exploit the functionality? Imagine receiving an email from a stranger with an attached HTML file. The file looks harmless, but when you open it, it contains JavaScript that disrupts your browsing experience. For example, the following code will show an alert box with the message hacked 3 times. By the way, CH, I can't hack into your machine. Really? Wait, I didn't show my IP. That's probably it. Okay, so we have doc type. Gotcha. So doc type HTML, lang English, right? Language we are using is English. Hacked title, script. So the title of the page would be hacked, and it will show me 3 times 0 till less than 3. 0, 1, 2, hacked 3 times. And I have to click on OK every time. Gotcha, bro. On the desktop, for the attached virtual machine, create a file called invoice.html and paste the above code. Double click the file to open it, and the alert message will pop up 3 times, causing an undesired experience. Here's the thing. Alert, you have to click on OK for it to go. So you have to click on OK 3 times when you copy paste this code here. I can show you quickly because this one won't take much time to demonstrate what I'm saying. So let's say, is there a slime or code editor? Pluma? Vim was there actually. So I paste the code here. I'll save it. Say I will put it on desktop and I name it as hacked.js. Right? It's here. You guys can see it. Let's open this. Oh, actually, right click, open with. It's not coming with. Open with other applications. Let's see. Chromium web browser. Open. Let's see. Let's see if the code opens or this actually gets executed. Hopefully it's get executed. Okay, that is taking time. Open with Chrome. Google Chrome here. Why there are 2 Google Chromes? Okay, it opened. Reinstall Chrome. No. Google is fine. Let's say if I want to. Oh, this is a HTML file, not a JS file. My apologies. I'll just rename it. Is there, where is move to rename? Sorry, JS file will not open like that, but if I do HTML, let's see. I'll change the address. This is again like a location, right? Just hacked first time, second time, third time, done. Nothing on the page, just hacked 3 times. Open the desktop attached, right? Invoice.html, paste it. It will, when you double click, it will pop up hacked 3 times. Imagine if a bad actor sent you a similar file, but instead of displaying the alert 3 times, the number is set to 500. You have to click on OK 500 times. You would be forced to keep closing the alert boxes one after the other. This is a simple example of how malicious JavaScript can be used to create an invoice or worse. Therefore, because instead of just showing alert, you can steal someone's cookies, right? No, I'm not running that. Therefore, ensuring you only execute JavaScript files from trusted sources is crucial to avoid such an undesired experience. I will run whatever you want, Wrench, after two things. You have to answer all these. Second, I will run it in the virtual machine after I'm done with this task, all these tasks. Okay, deal? So, answer these questions as, and I want some answers from Twitch today. In the file invoice, in the file invoice.html, how many times does the code show the alert hacked? Why no deal? What do you want? What do you want me to run? Next, which of the JavaScript interactive elements should be used to display a dialog box that asks the user for input? Remember, it should ask user for an input, not whether okay or cancel, not show a message, ask for an input. If the user enters Tesla, what value is stored in the car name prompt? What is the car name? In the car name variable. So we have this, if this is the code, right? A prompt comes, we type the name Tesla, what would be? This one I don't even want to ask because... Wrench, what is the code you want me to ask, boss? Or you want me to type? I would love to see. Let's see. I think it's Tesla here. These are very simple. I don't even like asking. How many times? 3 times. Wait. Okay. Yeah. Our reverse SSH. I will let you do it after that. How many times does the code show alert hacked? If it is not 3, what is the answer? Oh, in the attached virtual machine. Exercise, let's see. Invoice.html. Open with the 5. Okay. Different. Okay. Now, let's talk about bypassing control flow statements. Thank you, Wrench. Thank you so much, buddy guy. Okay. I will 100% let you do that. Hacker hai bhai, hacker. I was going to encode it and do some more magic so you won't get it. Okay. Sounds good. After this done, I would love to. Now, bypassing control flow statements. Task 6. Control flow in JavaScript refers to the order in which statements and code blocks are executed based on certain conditions. Condition could be, is the age less than or greater than 18 to enter this site? Or because it could be like, entering passport site, something like that. 18 plus without guardian can't go to that site. Stuff like that. JavaScript provides several control flow structures such as if-else, switch statements to make decisions, and loops like for, while, and do while to repeat actions. Proper use of control flow ensures that a program can handle various conditions effectively. Sounds good. Thank you, boss. So we have like if-else, switch statements, for, while, do while. There are various different types of controlling the flow of our code. Let's see which one we want to do it based on whatever is the condition. Conditional statements in action. One of the most used conditional statement is if-else statement. If it is raining, take the umbrella, else don't take the umbrella. Which allows you to execute different blocks of code depending on whether a condition evaluates to true or false. To test this practically, let's create age.html on the desktop of the attached virtual machine. Paste it. Age verification. Message. You see this paragraph message. Prompt. What is your age? When you go, let's say, to Facebook or some kind of any other site where you have to enter your age, if you have a legal guardian or not, right? Or like alcohol, something like that. If age is greater than or equal to 18, right? Anything 18 or 18 plus, in the message say you are an adult. Here, remember the ID, get element by ID, right? Else you are a minor. Script and body HTML, right? Double click the file to open in Chrome. You will have the following image. Age verification, you type 21, then OK. You are an adult. In the above code, a prompt will ask you for your age. If your age is greater than 18, it will display you are an adult. Otherwise, a different message. This behavior is controlled by if-else statements, which checks the value of age variable and displays appropriate message based on the condition. Bypassing login forms. Just making sure. Okay. Now, this is actually interesting if we don't want to give login forms on Facebook and other places. Let's see. Suppose a developer has implemented an authentication functionality in JavaScript, where only users with the username admin and password matching a specific value are allowed to log in. To see this in action, open login.html file in exercise folder. Here's a very interesting thing you guys can look into. This came recently, I think 3-4 months ago. There was what's that JS Next.js authentication issue middleware. Have a look at this one if you are interested in, like, if you think, oh, we can't bypass stuff. Yes, you can bypass authentication. You just need to know where. We need to know where. Okay. Now we have login.html. Enter your username. Let's say I type enter admin. Password, let's say 12345. Login authentication incorrect. Okay. When you double click the file, open the browser, you type the password and stuff, right? And if the password is wrong for admin, it will display a message confirming that you are logged in or not based on that. So login authentication, you have successfully authenticated if I get the right password. Incorrect username or password, how to see if it is good or not? Inspect, let's see what they have. Script. Let me make it big. That's what she said. So if the username is admin and the password is complex password, then you successfully log in, otherwise not. So earlier I did 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Complex password, successfully logged in. This legit happens so many times. I actually have seen it in some places I've worked, like they have put password, hard-coded password in their old apps they made in 2010, 2011, which are still running. Those are actually hard-coded. I don't raise flags on those anymore because I got, last time I did, I was in big trouble. What is the message display if you enter the age less than 18? You are a minor. Wrench. Okay, send it to me. I will 100% run it. I'm almost done, so I will 100% run it. You are a minor. What is the? That is correct. That is correct. What is the password for the user admin? Oh, that's what she said. What the hell? Yo, Wrench. What's going on, bro? Wrench. What's going on, brother? Crazy stuff, Wrench. That's crazy thing to say. After you are a minor, you are saying that's what she says. Crazy. Okay. Send it to me, Wrench. Send it to me in Discord. I will love to run it. Let's see. Demon timings indeed. Okay. Task 7. Exploring minified files. Now, this is very much true for majority of the websites you visit, actually every single website you visit at this point, what happens? Okay. Okay, sounds good. I just want to make sure you are not sad or you are not mad at me. Yeah. Okay. Task 7, exploring minified files. You have understood how JavaScript works and how we can read it until now. But what if the file is not human readable and has been minified? Minification in JavaScript is the process of compressing JavaScript files by removing all the unnecessary characters such as spaces, line breaks, comments, and even shortening variable names. This helps reduce the file size and improves the loading time for web pages, especially in production environments. Minified files make a code more compact and harder to read for humans, but they still function exactly the same. Now, no, I understand, but you know what? You are a good guy. It doesn't like I don't want to. It's not about like making nobody, don't make anyone happy. You are very close to me, man. I would love to make you happy. You, Idor, Ghost, Rover, right? Panda. You guys are very close. I love you guys. Okay, now let me explain to you what this thing is, because I think a lot of people don't understand the meaning of compressing. Meaning of compressing, removing all unnecessary characters and stuff like that. Let me explain you, right? Now, here is a code. Let me put it like this. And I will show you exactly what happens so you know what I'm talking about in this. So let's say I have var car name equals prompt what is your car name, and this is like actual real life. I'm trying to make it as much console.log car name. User will enter their car name print car name, end of code. Starting of code. Now here's the game, right? This is what you will actually you can write in your life, in real life code on JavaScript. Probably not this, but let's say there is code, there is like simple variable names, there is comments and stuff, right? This is unminified, non-minified. Now here is the minified version. Remember, minified is for computers, not for humans. Removing the code, comment, this won't be there. Now here comes var a. Car name is a very big variable name, right? A does the job. No, not much space is required, so it will probably can be like this almost, right? It can also be like this, but let's say even if it is like this, right? Console.log. See how the strings are not changing. They're exactly the same, right? Even if there is space here, there will be space here. Those are not going to change. This is how a minified version, here over, this is how a minified version actually looks like. See how car name, all this code is gone into just one line of code. Imagine how much like size you can save in your computer when loading it in a browser, because you don't want to show the whole world what's going on, right? Next is it makes it super fast, and I will show you right now how it works, and I'll show you this is actually working. Map.js actually like to there's I have to see specifically, but let's say if I'm not wrong, what map is to like navigation one. Maybe I might be wrong. I have to see. Like we can 100% look because I think I know what it is, but I want to make sure I'm not giving the wrong information. Okay, so here is the room, right? Nope. Where's the JS? I want to see JS. Here is the JavaScript one. Nope. Chunk. You see here now, example. Variable L. And this is like actually beautified. If you see, this is actually beautified by me, by the Chrome. But if you see, everything is coming in just one. Hey, function variable E undefined type of something blah blah blah. Only spaces are where it is necessary. See, new statement started. You click here. That's what minified is. There are ways to get it unminified and beautified, right, within the browsers itself, so you can debug it. But if you actually want to debug, if you want to look, this is actually like a pro front-end developer's hack. If you want to see where to execute some stuff, how things are executed, one is like where is the line you are looking for. Look for the strings because these things don't change. Point one. Point two. Chrome is such an awesome software. How do you grab it? Oh, nice. Yo, can you send the link for Stack Overflow? I would love to read it too. First is that. Second, when you go through these source, right? When you are actually doing some development, you can put these pointers, right? Breakpoints. So if the code reaches this function, it will stop. So you can see how things work and look at other things as well, right? You already did it? Why I'm not seeing the links, man? Oh yeah, YouTube doesn't allow links. Can you send it in to me Discord personally? I will love that. Yeah, Shriram, I think is because of the college. Yeah. So that's what minification is. That's space gone, line breaks gone, comments gone, shortening of the variable names. That's what minified is. Just to save the size and helps in faster loading of your web application. Similarly, obfuscation is often used to make JavaScript harder to understand by adding undesired code, renaming variables and functions to meaningless names, and even inserting dummy code. Obfuscation is a security practice. Minified is for performance. Remember this. I have love-hate. Oh, everybody, man. Everybody. Every smart guy has a love-hate relationship. Actually, more of a hate than love. Next, practical example. Same wrench. Us bro movement. Create a file on desktop of the attached virtual machine. Hello, try hack me. Paste the following code. Obfuscated JavaScript code. Right? We have the header. Hello.js. Hi, alert, welcome to try hack me. And then hi function is called. Now double click on there to open. You see, you get the OK, right? Click OK to close the alert dialog box. Right click anywhere on the page and click on inspect to open the developer tools. In the developer tools, navigate to source tab, click on the JavaScript file. Let's see. You can see everything is in clear. Everything is very clear. Like whatever you type, that's how you look at it, right? Here. Whatever is the file you wrote in your text editor, that's how it is. Yes, sir. Next is obfuscation. I would love to answer. Just let's complete this task and I would love to answer every question. Obfuscation in action. Now we will try to minify and obfuscate the JavaScript code using an online tool. Visit the website. There is a lot of actually with React, with like, I think name is Webpack. All these, like there's a bunch of like, when you are building a production level, like Walmart, Tesla, Apple, these people use these type of tools already to begin with from very first minute when they are making these. So it's important to understand if you want to be in bug bounty. Here we have JavaScript obfuscation, right? And copy. I see. I would love to answer that. Yes. Copy the contents of this, paste it in the dialog box on the website. The tool will minify and obfuscate the code. You see how hard it is now to read? But what if we tell you that these gibberish characters are still finally functional code? The only difference is that these are not human readable anymore. They are made to make sure things are hard and stupid code is added for no reason. Because there is no parsing needed. And here, actually, this is where, let's see. Welcome to Try Hack Me. Is there code? Welcome. You see, welcome is there. Where is here? THM welcome 2 is also there here somewhere. You guys can look for it. That's why I look for the strings. Those are the ones that don't get obfuscated, change and stuff. You can look at from there. You can actually find the flow. Click the copy of the copy to clipboard, highlighted in 2. Right. Basically, if you copy this code into your file where your JavaScript file was, paste it here. Now this is beautified. It will act same. Obfuscated JavaScript code. Welcome to Try Hack Me. Now de-obfuscating a code. Ooh, what was that? What happened? Oh, follower goal reached. Hello, Killer2 TV. Welcome to the family, boss. Thank you. Hey, we reached 140 followers, 141 on Twitch. Thank you. I was scared a bit. Okay, de-obfuscating a code. We can also de-obfuscate. We can make it hard to read. Just like assembly code, malware code, we can make it easy to read with de-obfuscation. And obfuscated code using an online tool. Visit this site. Obfuscate de-obfuscator. I'm just going to send it here. Right? For obfuscation, you can play with it, see how good you can be. Then paste the obfuscated code into the provided dialog box. The website will generate the equivalent human readable JavaScript code for you, making it easier to understand and analyze the original script. You have seen how easily we de-obfuscate and retrieve our original code. This was an easy one, but I think with the not sure, but probably if we have like really big code, hard to de-obfuscate them. It makes it still human readable, but still there is issue. What is the alert message shown after running hello try hack me? I think. Let's look at this files quickly. Hello. 21. Welcome to Try Hack Me. Oh, the next code. What is the value of age variable of this? Thank you so much, Wrench. You are the guy. Okay, I had this question from Rabbit. Why are we avoiding the medium and difficult stuff? We are learning this, which I'm sure you know, being a developer. Why not difficult topics in security we haven't covered and we are not covering? Actually, Rabbit, I'm just legit following what Penetration Tester 1 is. So, because I want to complete this, like if anybody is following me for this certificate, Penetration Tester 1, including myself, right? I want to get this certificate. So I want to just follow the path, have this like going. And yes, you're right. We can 100%. Yes, I will show you here quickly. So we did pre-security. Right now we are at cybersecurity 101. Right? Yeah, no, it's fine, bro. So we haven't done networking. That's one. We completed cryptography, public key cryptography, hashing basics, John the Ripper, right? we are completing this web hacking one, right? JavaScript essential, after the SQL, then a burp, and then OWASP. Then based on like what people feel like, I believe, because last time the reason I did like offensive, because some people were doing defensive. They wanted to have both things going on at the same time. But let's say if people want to learn more about Hydra, GoBuster, we'll take this. If not, section 10, SOC, whatever. Like, we'll keep on taking one section at a time, whichever you guys want. And I think this is the last one which you will see basic stuff in, which I'm very happy about. I will say this. Because after this is junior penetration tester, which actually covers some good stuff. I'm not going over this. Walking in application, content discovery, subdomain. These I think I covered. So I probably, race conditions I haven't covered. So that's actually new. Nice. Burp suite. These ones, right? Active reconnaissance, network security, advanced Nmap stuff. So as soon as we cover the last cybersecurity 101, these will be covered. Is it following a path? Then yep, makes sense. It's just I think you should. Yeah, I know 100%. You are right. JavaScript is like putting food on my table. So yes, you are 100% right. I'm just following a path. That's all it is for me right now. The only difference is, the only change that happens is, instead of picking section 5 after 4, I'm picking section 6 or 8, something based on what people want. But yeah, I'm just following a path. That's all it is. Let me know what next you want me to cover, because I think in a week or two we will be able to hit this soon. Yeah, but that's basically it is. Thank you for asking that though. Like, it helps, I think, a lot of people understand what we are doing and covers something back again. Thank you so much, Rabbit. Hopefully that answers your question. Hopefully, and you understand. Soon we will be covering so much, man. After this penetration tester 1, which I know we are going slow because I have too much stuff. But after penetration tester 1, I would love to hit CPTS, man. Or like OSCP, something hard. Because I think after PT1, I have enough knowledge to hit something bigger. Or just, hit numbers in like try hack the box ranks. Web exploit, SQL. Ooh. Web exploit, SQL injection, RCE, IDOR. Ooh. This is the path. 0 day reversing do next. Hold up, I need to put this. Okay. Yeah, like whatever you guys would like, I would 100% follow that path. Kira TV, what's up, bro? Are you a pen tester, or is it like a hobby you do? So I'm a front-end developer, or maybe more of a full stack, but like a front-end and a front-end developer and a cloud engineer. So cloud solutions architect, if you may. So that's what I do. Cybersecurity has been my passion for long. So I'm trying to break into this career by just doing this, learning every day through this. After PD1, don't hit CPTS or OSCP. They might hit you back hard. Oh, hit AG. Oh, okay. That would be nice, Idor. EGPT or PG. Yeah. Yeah, I will 100%. Yeah. I think OWASP, then we can do like, even after OWASP, I would love to hit the juice shop one. That would be a good CTF. I haven't done that room in, I think I did it long time ago. Yeah, sounds good. Sure. Web exploit sounds good. Active Directory. There is actually an interesting thing to know in this PT1. There is a lot of Active Directory coverage. So we have to do a lot of Active Directory soon. OWASP top 10. Yeah, sounds good. Yeah. I guess I saw a module regarding that. Okay, sounds good. How do you learn engineering school? Yes, I did bachelor's of computer science from university. But if you actually want to be, it's theory. Yeah. But if you actually want to be good at engineering, killer, my honest advice here, join Discord and talk to people like Idor, Rabbit, and Wrench, right? Or even Rover. Like those guys are keep on doing stuff, especially Idor. just like message him, ask him what he is working on, like rats and stuff. You can learn some good engineering, code engineering, software engineering from him. Everybody is a noob here. Everybody is a noob here. How everybody is messaging I'm noob. Holy man. I have seen your code, Ido. Like that's like it for Wrench, I have seen his try hack me ranking. For Idor, I have seen this his engineering. It's like at least Rabbit is better. He's at least is ready to admit he's a scared. That's hilarious. And you guys put noob at the same time. It's crazy, man. I think everybody is like almost have this. Rabbit is the goat, indeed. Rover is the goat too. Where's Rover? Where's my Rover, man? Normie. Okay. I'm Groot. Okay. So let's log into task 8. Rover, let's go. Rover is actually the so if anybody don't know, nobody knows, Rover is the best social engineer. Top level social engineer. He trained dogs so he can get into any building he wants. I know you, Rover. I know. I'm seeing you. I know your plan. You're a very smart guy. Okay, lads. Let's look into task 8, the best practices, right? And let's conclude this one. Only programming I have done is lit in JavaScript and TypeScript. That's good. It's good to start. Like, let me ask you this, Killer, if you don't mind. What is your background? What is your background? What all you do? Yeah, like give me an idea of your background and we can 100% talk more. Okay, now let's get into best practices. Did I say background? Oh, I should have really find a combination of cybersecurity behavior. Dude, I think given you know about dogs and you know about how to train and like all these stuff, social engineering is really good for you, Rover. Social engineering you should look into. Okay, task 8, best practices. This task outlines the best practices for evaluating a website or writing code for a website. If you're developing a web application, you will likely end up using JavaScript on your website. The practices below will assist you in reducing the attack surface and minimizing the chances of attack. Avoid relying on client-side validation only. What the client-side validation means is there are two parts of any web application minimum, right? There is the client side and server side. Let's take example of Facebook. Really bad handwriting. FB, right? This is if I open facebook.com. Hopefully I'm not logged in here. Facebook.com, right? This is the client side. The website you see is the client side where you can have login information. So I can type like, let's say my login name, password, whatever I type, or like I can do whatever I want. Now comes, is the email that is being sent, does it have an @ in it? Does it have any special characters that it should not allow, right? Next, let's say if it is able to bypass that client side, a hacker is able to like send some API calls. What you want to do as a server, a good developer, validate here as well. Validate every possible step. Validate on client side, validate on server side, and there are layers even as a background developer. There is service layer, there is business layer, there is data layer. Validate everywhere. The better you are at validating, the better background developer you are, and then the better job you can actually accomplish. Need to understand how hackers do to be a good developer, and to if you're a good developer, you can be a good hacker, because you need to just understand the mindset. It's all about mindset and trying harder. One of JavaScript's primary function is performing client-side validation. Developers sometimes use it for validating forms, relying entirely on it, which is not a good practice. So here we go. hello my mail.com. Let's say I send this. The email number so it should not have even sent it, honestly. That would be a good. Panda, you can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. Okay, so yeah, those validations here, like the email is not valid and all those should happen on this page itself. That's using the JavaScript. Since a user can disable manipulate JavaScript on the client side, inspect, and you can just disable it here. I think it's in, where is it? Oh, stop. Ooh. Damn, nice. I like it. I never saw it. I think somewhere here, I think you can disable JavaScript, or you can go in the settings and disable JavaScript so validations won't happen on Facebook's page, right? Refrain from adding untrusted libraries. As discussed in earlier tasks, JavaScript allows you to include many JS scripts using the source attribute inside a script tag. Like for example, if I'm building a website, I'm going to use fonts library from Google. Trusted. Don't do it from habibi.com, which is not trusted. That's what it means, basically. Don't be stupid. But have you considered whether the library we include is from a trusted source? So basically, if I'm visiting a bad website, they could have a library from an untrusted or bad source, and that can lead to me, my computer or my browser being hacked. Bad actors have uploaded a bundle of libraries on the internet with the names that resemble legitimate ones. So instead of google.com, I can have googly.com. So if you blindly include a malicious library, you will expose your web application to threats. Avoid hard coding secrets. Do not put like the login stuff like that in your like API keys, access tokens. This happened. Let me give you that. Viz dropped out, worked 10 years in construction, now pursuing. That's awesome, man. No, oh, there was an ad. That's why. Oh, so sorry, brother. Do it. Join Twitch. YouTube. So here, I believe this is where they had like a bunch of things that were open. API keys were sensitive data was leaked from Viz Research. Expose deep secret database sensitive information, including chat history and stuff. I believe there were API keys, or I think it was Perplexity. Hard-coded. Something was hard-coded. That's all I remember. So API keys hard-coded, so you won't be able to make money. API keys are like your Netflix account password when using APIs. Those are gone. Your business model is gone. Now, minify and obfuscate your JavaScript code. Minifying and obfuscating JavaScript code reduces its size, improves load time, and makes it harder for attackers to understand the logic for the code. Therefore, always minify and obfuscate the code when using code in production. The attacker can eventually reverse engineer it, but getting the original code will take at least some effort. Return of investment would be hard. Is it good practice to blindly include JavaScript in your code? Nay. From any source? No. I'm not even asking, lads. Conclusion, I think control flow statements, basics of JavaScript are more than enough in this, right? We talked about it in 2 days. So, yay! What? So, basically, we covered important topics like basics of JavaScript. Killer, stay with me. I actually have something for you. Creating your first JavaScript code, integrating JavaScript in HTML. Moving forward, we discussed about prompts, alerts, proof of concept things, right? Control flow statements with if else, for loops and stuff like that. Now, use minify and obfuscate a JavaScript file, learn other way around. Lastly, we touched upon some best practices that you can follow to keep your web app safe. Obfuscation, minifying are one, but also making sure libraries you include are from legitimate places, right? And that's all, folks. What's your YouTube? Censored Hacker Boss. Same thing. Do I have YT? No, I don't have that. Let me give it to you. Ooh, what is this? Secret Sons. Ooh, that's actually pretty cool. Fern is like going hard on Russia for some reason. Got some funding from Trump or what? Yeah, dude, like just like Panda said, 100% you're on right journey, boss. So, let me just read through what is being said. I do have ADHD actually. It's not even a joke. Yo, so many messages. Sir, there are many machines coming tomorrow. Yeah, bro, he's the only one. Let's try to release itself, bro. Complete my soulmate. Many things on my plates too. You're being lazy. Yeah, Cyber Defender. Try hacking. Oh, yeah. The simulation. Ping me when you want to go. Grinding. By the way, all top 10 NPM packages were infected with malware. Oh, yes. The recent one. The NPM itself was like, yeah. That's actually a good one. Yeah. Everything, bro. Some job for us, yeah. Yeah. I do have like actually ADHD. I'm not even joking. I do have my medications. I don't take them. I can't show you. Here is my medications for ADHD. I never take them. My doctor hates me. Like I just like work hard. I know, but if I'm like happy and I just like do a little bit exercise and focus and eat well, I don't need it. Flexing ADHD. I found the accurate meme for me. Just okay. Memes. Some people with Chat GPT. Oh, this is hilarious. Oh, lovely, man. This is actually really funny. Holy. Sustaination. Okay, now let's talk to Killer. Killer, you here? My man. I would love to help you with like if you're starting with your journey, specifically, right? 10 years in construction, now pursuing computer science, computer engineering degree, a great thing. Oh, awesome. No clip. Nice. Okay, let's talk about this. You are doing computer. If you do, right? Like, let's say if you don't have computer, you are starting from the beginning, right? Most importantly, right? Pick a language. This is I don't want to go super hard. Let me put this here to make things better. Did I? Oh, did I say? Maybe. I think my connection dropped probably. No audio? Hello. Hello. 1, 2, 3, mic testing. Hello. I have to probably be close to it. Okay, it's good now. Okay, cool. So, I'll 100% check the meme in a sec, boss. It cuts out sometimes. Interesting. Yeah, I think that's probably it, right? That's what I think, Rabbit. You're right. Okay, I won't touch this mic. Okay. So, killer, right here is what my suggestion would be, right? Trying to be a singer. Nah, man. Okay. So if you're starting in computer science specifically, right? Engineering and stuff, right? My idea would be start with Java, at least I will say. Java or C++. These are two languages that will make your life hard in the starting, but they will build your concepts of coding so good that you can move to any other programming language. Now, with Java and C++, right? I will say like pick Python is good. Yes, Python is good, but I will say if you want to be an engineer, like if you want to understand, killer bro, I will send you a file run. Do not run that file. Okay. So Java, C++, learn, right? These things. They teach about OOPS. Yeah, it has Python has OOPS too, but what is OOPS? Object oriented programming structure. Or I think OOP, I think, not even OOPS. OOP. Object oriented programming, right? So what like learn these. Learn like with Java, start with Hello World. Right? Hello World, and also look at one of the best, I will say, in my opinion, there are a couple of good ones. One of the best one being W3 schools. There is Java here. Learn Java from here. Go a little bit. Yeah, I know it says oops. I just like OOP concepts. Object oriented programming. But people say oops because there are 4 of those. W3 schools, free. Next would be Geeks for Geeks again. Another great one. Right? If you want to learn about, let's say, Java, Geeks for Geeks, another really great website. Here, have it. Also, there's Learn CPP, yeah, for computer science. Another good one. Learn Python, nice. Dude, I would love to have 1K subs soon. Thank you. Also, do join the Discord where you can ask people about free courses, like free resources, help, right? That will be amazing. Now the last, once you actually go through these, right? In starting, a bunch of things won't make sense, right? Just push through. Ask other people, ask ChatGPT, ask us. In Discord, we are there to help you. Okay? Java methods, arrays, understand these. Understand how to write a code which can display something on the screen. Some fun things. Keep having fun. Display things. Show able to run for loops. Try to crash things, right? Bro, see, check my GitHub after. Sure. I think I have 1600 right now. Dude, it's bad, man. I will show you actually. Oh yeah. Oh, Idor sent a C++ course in Discord bot. Look at that. Killer. Do look at what Idor is saying. You can talk to them in the Discord. They will help you with that. And then what you have to do next, right? After you are what's called once you are done with loops, these small things like control flow, control stuff. I think it should be here, right? Killer, you here? After loops, data structures, object-oriented programming, right? Create small programs, right? Create small programs like a hotel management one, a university one. Say, hey, I want to create a very small university with students and stuff, like things like that. Create like that. You are good to go. You have if you understand how to display things, how loops works, data structure and object-oriented programming, create something like this, good to go. I will say good to go, right? You can then move into let's say do something with it, like maybe lead code, or maybe coding, like hacking, whatever. But first do these. Let me know. I would love to help you with this, like on all the steps of the journey. Keep me in loop, right? Do these. And also do make sure you join the Discord, because in the Discord there are some really good free courses which otherwise cost like hundreds of dollars. We have like great people like Idor who have made a bunch of them free for us. Type this. Alright, I can do it too. Just don't kill me, I'm pure so. Okay. Holy. Man. Do you just look at the language docs to find default libraries? No, I just Google them. Like if let's say I want to learn about, like I want an AI library, specifically for, let's say if I'm learning Python, I'm creating some, let's say AI bot, and I'm like, I want one to text to voice Python library. That's all I do. There's well, you can see it's purple, so I have already went through this link. But there are a bunch, right? Look at these. Whichever one that works for you, have a look at them. That's how I like find default libraries. I Google, I see what one like is suggested on Reddit, what is being like talked about nowadays. Let's say on Hugging Face. I go on these communities. Bro, I have like a bunch of orange. Text to speech, I will look at these, right? Depending on what you want, I just Google them. Python library. Let's say I don't even know if Java library would be a thing for this. Is there Java library for it? Oh, there is. Free TTS. Free TTS. I'm not saying anything else. So just Google them. Default libraries. Do you just import them to like IDE? Yeah, like a lot of them are already there. In Python. Let's say I install when I install Python on my stuff, I just have to import them. You don't even have to download those libraries and stuff. Let's say default. I just Google them. Don't even go through docs. I just don't go through docs unless and until needed. So default Python library for DS and algorithms, DSA. DQ, collections, counter, bunch of them are already there. A bunch of them are already there. You just have to like Google them and you will find some good tutorials, good things on it. Yeah, nothing is free, man. That's true. For sure, I'll be behind the bars. Don't worry, man. You are in India. Just have to write be sure your ChatGPT writes a very good paragraph that you are a good guy and you should not be behind the bars. Yeah, no problem. And do join the Discord, because that's where you get really good people to help you. Here is the Discord link. So you can, see or like talk to anyone who can help you. We have Rover. Is also like very new to computer science, doing it for like a year now. Really good guy, very helpful. Yay, howdy. Everybody's a good person, man. Everybody has majority of the people have goodness inside them. I take the first one back. Never met them other than Rover. Yeah. Sam releases my ChatGPT 5 chat history. Then for sure. If Sam releases, yeah. Sam Altman. Rabbit is amazing. Oh, that's hilarious. Oh, also, Rabbit, you were asking about it, right? Let me show you. Oh, I got 566. That's crazy. Just a week ago, we had 500. We are bringing big numbers, lads. Oh, view my channel. Nah, man, Rabbit, you are amazing, man. So if I go to earn, right? I'm at 1576. Maybe after today. Yeah. If you lads, let me ask you something very stupid. Can you? There is a bunch of videos. Can you just put in, use your VPN or something, log into your stuff, right, and just put my videos on loop? Like go through those, just get my watch hours up, so I can have some stuff at least. No, actually, I need to reach like 3,000 for just. I have to reach 3,000, man. It's crazy. Just put it on loop. Just let it run. Let it rim. Put some likes and stuff. I don't know why I'm asking, man. Like, I'm just happy I have you guys. I don't care. Fuck it. F it. Bro, I've reached 500 subscribers. I'm just so happy. That's crazy. And 121 in last 28. Boom. Boom. I don't know. Like, I think if you just... how I do it, like, let's say if I'm going through a playlist, I'll just go through this playlist. A very long one. It's based on number of hours. I don't know why they do it. Like, and these numbers are not the right ones. I see, like, currently we have 9 people watching. When I stop it, right? I don't know. I don't have a Hack the Box copyright anymore. I don't think so. Because I think Fluffy is gone, right? Yeah, only one video on loop, I believe. For now, I think, yeah. Is Fluffy gone? Fluffy, where's my Fluffy? Yeah, that's removed. That's why. No, I don't have any strike anymore. Really? Oh, status complete. Then I might still have it. But I don't see. I think no, I didn't. I was looking through the copyrights. I don't think I have the copyright anymore. I think the person removed it. None. No removal request, nothing to see yet. Video list. It just might be some small songs I put in, which I don't care about, honestly. They just remove that, they mute that section, and then I remove it. No, I didn't remove it. I just made it like private. Yeah, Hack the Box raised their prices. Need to raise more money for my from my campaigns, so I can give these bills in for you guys. Do those giveaways. Yeah. Yeah, I think they are increasing it from 1st October, if I'm not wrong. In October. It is. I need to take my local, make my own. Dude, I think, yeah, a couple of Raspberry Pis can help too. Yeah, have you seen, I think, Wrench, you typed it though, right? Like THM CEO looking for founder. Like for his new AI stuff. Looking for co-founder. Yeah. Dude, all the best for that. Yeah, he's like, it's crazy what he said though in that LinkedIn post of his. Where was it that you typed? We're so up, man. Holy fuck. It was interesting what he said, that he has so much data collected from us, especially with his new AI thing he released on Try Hack Me, that he's ready to start a new company about it. I was surprised to see how his claim about it. Holy. LinkedIn. Nope, nothing is there. Here. Oh, nice. Ben Spring, looking for a co-founder. Should I apply? We have the world's largest proprietary training data set of hacker behavior, and we are using it to build the most capable AI pen testing agent. We are no, don't laugh. We are founding a new cybersecurity AI startup, and this is a unique opportunity to join as a co-founder with equity, with all unfair advantages that data set. 1 million in seed capital backed by TryHackMe, access to thousands of virtual machines for training, and reach of 5 million users plus enterprise clients to accelerate adoption. That's crazy, man. Like this second paragraph is crazy. I would love to just look into this more. Ben Spring. You know what? I will look into it. I want to like just send him a DM and say like, yo, I would love to be, I can't be at the level of co-founder, but I can be of help. It'll be nice. All right, it's 12. It's 12 today. Huh. Yo, it's like, take all your shots you can. In these cases, I'm 100% emailing him and I'm putting it in the Discord if you don't believe me. The AI on other user behavior. This is, yeah, that's crazy. I know they don't pay people for the labs, which is like not a good thing, in my opinion, at all. It's like almost Facebook at this point. Like, you're not getting paid to be a content creator. YouTube, you are, kind of. If you reach 4,000 watch hours. Give me a review? Sure. Oh, yeah, I have to look at your stuff too, right? Here. Jump to present. Wow. Let the suffering begin, but for the adversaries. Nice. Blue team focus, SOC, or dude, this will help you. This will help you get a job easily. Amazing, man. Amazing. GitHub stats. Amazing stuff, bro. Beauty. Beauty, beauty. Succeed, bro. Succeed. It's very succeed. Nice, bro. It's very succeed, bro. It's very succeed. I love that. I need to change mine too. Mine has been very old. That's cool, bro. Right? Wrench, amazing stuff, man. Amazing stuff. Let me post it here so everybody else can check too. But yeah, lads, this is all for today. Tomorrow again, I will be coming for lead code. I have to accelerate my lead code practice because I have some assessment next week. So yeah, you will see me do a lot more lead code in Discord everywhere. Have to learn data structures again. But till then, that's all for today. Thank you so much for new follows, new members of the family. Welcome. Thank you, everyone. What do you think about my GitHub Pacman stuff? Yo, wait, hold up. Idol. Your one. No, wait. Why? Cryptor, not Cyber ENC. Where's Pacman? Where's Pacman? Oh yeah, this one you sent. Yeah, dude, this was so sick. 100% this was so sick. I don't know how you got this like idea. This is so sick. This is so sick, man. I love these. Like, I want to put this once I do change the snake mode code. That's all it is. Yeah. So you changed the snake code, I see. Earlier it was snake and stuff. Huh. Cool, man. This is, wow. This is green as hell. My slave GPT-5. Cool. But bro, this is green as hell. Like, you might have increased the oxygen for like a whole country level oxygen. That's how green it is. Holy. It is crazy, man. Keylogger Pi. Let's do it. Nice. Nice, bro. Sexy, bro. Fucking awesome. I know. I've seen that. Dude, there are ways I don't want to like play with those like green. Like I don't want to do those because I don't have to, I guess. Oh, Sriram is a contributor. Let's go. Nice. That's awesome, man. Actually, like this one thing, advice I can give you, lads. If you're looking for jobs, right? If you have a university ID, which is like backed by a name, amazing. If not, put your full name. Try to find a name which suits you at outlook.com, Proton, whatever you like. A good one, a good provider. Make sure. Because people, when they're emailing, you don't want the recruiters to hesitate emailing you. Oh, you contributed to his repo. Oh, contribution stat. Okay, yes. Opposite. Yeah. But hold up. This is where I am who I am. I'll show you something. This is my problem. Just a small man. Oh, nice. Yeah. Oh, also just one small thing. The curves are... This is what I do for my full-time job. As you can see, like you see the curve. This one is a bit bigger. This one is a bit smaller. There's a little bit gap here. Just... I don't like, I'm just, if you are interested in this, you see here, there's a small gap here, just in case if you want to improve it. I know I shouldn't have said it. This is my work, man. This is what I get paid for, to look at small things. And like make it. I know, sorry. I'm sorry, man. I'm so sorry. Okay, let's change it to, let's change it to something. Yes, JavaScript, yes. It is, dude, I get paid to point these things out. I get paid to be annoying, I guess. I made Idor mad, man. That's not good. I'm sorry, bro. I'm so sorry. But yeah, hopefully... I'm sorry, bro. I'm so sorry. I just, this is what my job is. This has become my nature. They hacked me, bro. They hacked my brain. I'm so sorry, man. But I love you, man. I love you. I love you so much. You would have been pointing at my mistakes too, probably. Baddie. Don't hack me with that baddie rat, please. Don't hack me with any rat, please. Or any botnet. But okay, lads, thank you so much. It's 12:14 for me. I have to get sleep so I can come up early for some lead code. Till then, thank you so much. Welcome, newcomers. Welcome to the family. I apologize for being an idiot and being annoying. My apologies. But yeah, adios amigos. This is your favorite neighborhood sniffer. Favorite neighborhood sniffer. That's a crazy thing to say. The lover of minified scripts. Your favorite censored hacker signing off. Thank you so much. I love you. Give your loved ones a hug. That's more important than subscribing to this channel. I will tell you this. Thank you and a big bye. Bye everyone. Good night. Have a good one. Love you all. Very much love you all.